Hey guys, so I already have my mask because I'm about to leave, but today is going to be just like a Jen day. I'm just gonna enjoy my time. I don't have plans today or tomorrow. I don't work tomorrow, so sometimes you don't always have to be with people, it's okay. So I'm just gonna try to enjoy my day and we're gonna go for a hike. But other than this, enjoy this more relaxing, I don't know, vlog. Okay, bye. Here. So I said I wasn't going to talk, but look at this. I love nature. I've always been an outdoors person. I love walking, especially when it's surrounded by nature. I'm so happy. I kind of want to cry. I don't know. Yesterday night, this is gonna get deep. Yesterday night, I was feeling very lonely. I was not feeling really confident in myself, physically. I'm being real honest here. And I just have so many new things I'm experiencing that it's a bit overwhelming. I didn't make any plans for today and tomorrow. Tomorrow's Monday and I don't have work and I don't have any plans. So I was feeling kind of like, I'm just gonna be stuck at home on a day off. But I decided, you know what, get up and go to this park that you'll be wanting to go to, which is here, and just enjoy it, So gotta think positive and gotta take yourself places you like. So Lukrembo with again. I feel like you're the only thing that has come out.
Really? Like in the video? Oh.
Yeah. Well,
hey everyone, it's me again.
It's her again. And we're at Lotte Mall. We're looking for food because we're hungry, and then we have to do some shopping. It actually feels really nice in here, right?
Yeah,
like it's not
nice
too
and
cold.
cool.
Yeah, nice and cool. This is the second restaurant that I see that has those.
Me too.
It's cool.
The one near my school has one.
So cute.
Can get this picture.
Yes. Lily took out the healthiness of
Pretend I'm bending down to look at a book. We're so bad. Okay.
Ah, it's so cute. Oh my god, we're already. They're like, they're so... Okay, yeah, they're on warm.
Man, maybe we should have just done one.
Guys, it is so freaking humid. And I'm wearing... I don't like this weather. Guys, so we're in a cafe now. We're so tired. Humidified. Is that even a word?
Humidified.
Humidified. Like it's
Humid?
Look at this.
Yeah, my hair is also like...
We drank the water. We're waiting for drinks. I got a strawberry smoothie. So you end up getting a cafe, like a latte or something.
Yeah, latte.
Yeah, but I feel so bad because she has to go all the way back home. You can sleep on the subway. I don't know.
No, not with my bag.
Well, you still look good though.
I do?
Yeah, I feel like I look like where.
And you flatter me.
Yeah. Anyway.
No, look at all those hairs sticking up.
Guys, the cafe is cute. Okay, this looks so good.